Newly re-elected president of the Aquatic Sports Association of Jamaica, ASAJ, Lance Rochester, says he's looking forward to continuing implementing his long-term plans to ensure the sport is successful at all levels.
Having turned back the challenge of Javette Nixon by a 9-vote margin, coming away 34-25 at Thursday night's annual general meeting, Lance Rochester is now focused on completing the work he started during his first term in 2023.
Honored to get the additional time to progress the work which we have started. We laid out a strategic plan, which is essentially a 4-year plan, which is very ambitious in terms of laying a foundation for extreme success across all aquatic disciplines over a period of time. So we have done 2 years, we have laid a foundation, we believe, and we think we'll be able to complete the work in the next 2 years. So I'm honored for the opportunity to continue that work.
Rochester has set out a list of things he's aiming to work on in term 2.
We know the road is long ahead because ultimately we're going to need pools, all island. We're going to need a focus on the learn to swim and the grassroots, but we also have to cater to our athletes at the elite level now and the age group level coming up. So it's a lot of work to be done. And we have invested across our strategic plan in the expansion mission, the high performance mission, and we have to get our internal operations as efficient as possible. So it's good that we have a clearly defined strategic plan that we can continue to work from and which our internal and external stakeholders can support us on.
In the meantime, Thea Nicole Davis and Alric Brown were voted in unopposed as the vice president for swimming and water polo, respectively. The vacant post of treasurer was taken by Krishna Truck Smith. Eugene Hall is the new secretary after turning back the challenge of Makisha Douglas, while Florence Grizzle Williams retained her post as assistant secretary. Keon Reyna reporting for TVJ Sports.